Good morning, dear students. I'm Mandeep Sani, your English teacher, and today I'm going to proceed with the lesson number 2, in which I will discuss about the word meaning, the question answers, and who said these words. So without wasting our time, we should start our work. Who said these words? First is, will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? And students, now it is quite easy question. And you have already read the lesson. So now give me the answer of this question. Will you be my friend? Who said these words, student? Will you be my friend? Yes, the right answer is an elephant. Because you know very well, an elephant wants to create friendship with the other animals. So that's why he visited to the monkey, rabbit, frog. At the last he visited to fox. So he asked the same question to everyone. Will you be my friends? Will you be my friends? So the right answer is an elephant. Second one is, you cannot swing from trees like me. You cannot swing from trees like me. The meaning of the swing is to jump one place to another place, to jump one tree to another tree. That's called swing. And swing here particularly used for the animal, that is monkey. As you know, when the elephant met with the monkey and he asked, will you be my friends? And then the monkey answered, sorry, we cannot be friends because you cannot swing from trees like me. You cannot jump from one tree to another tree like me. So the right answer is monkey. Number 3 is, you are too big to leap about like me. The meaning of the leap is to jump high, high, high like a frog. So the answer is frog. When the elephant asked the frog, will you be my friend? Then the frog answered, how can be friend? How can I? You are too big, Mr. Elephant, and you can't leap about like me. You can't jump high like me. So the answer is frog. Frog said these words. Fourth number is, sorry sir, you are too big. Sorry sir, you are too big. You know, elephant met with the fox also at the last, and he asked the same question to the fox, and then she also given the same answer, that you are too big. So the answer is fox. Fifth number is, mind your own business. Who said these words? So now student, it is very easy question. Mind your own business. When an elephant was begging from the Proudy tiger, he asked, Mr. Tiger, please don't do this. Mr. Tiger, please don't scare the poor animals. And then the tiger angrily answered, mind your own business, Mr. Elephant. So the answer is tiger. So now we will proceed towards our word meaning. The first is burrow. Burrow means a hole where rabbits live. Burrow means a hole where rabbits live. You know, student, I have already discussed this word when I was reading the lesson. The meaning of the burrow is a hole where rabbits live. The second one is wandered. Wandered means thought. Now wandered is in the past form, so I have written thought here. But if it will be in the first form, so I will use think here, the first form of the thought. So wandered means thought. Burrow means a hole where rabbits live. Wandered means thought. Wandered means thought. Fourth number is upset. Upset means unhappy. It is very common word, student, and you know very well. Upset means unhappy. Fourth is begging means asking. Begging means asking. Third number is upset, unhappy. Begging means asking. Begging means asking. Now we will move towards our question answer. First is, what did the elephant want? Now student, what did the elephant want? He wanted to make some friends. He wanted to make some friends. He wants to create friendship with the different animals, so that's why he was asking from everyone, will you be my friends? So what did the elephant want? He wanted to make some friends. He wanted to make some friends. Number 2 is, why didn't the rabbit want to be friends with the elephant? Why didn't the rabbit want to be friends with the elephant? Because the elephant was too big. Because the elephant was too big and he couldn't play with him in his burrow. As you know that the size of the elephant was too big and as compared to the rabbit. So rabbit is in the small size, so that's why he can't play with him in his burrow. Because the elephant was too big and he cannot play with him in his burrow. Because the elephant was too big and he couldn't play with him in his burrow. Number 3 is, who was breathing heavily? It is very quite easy. Who was breathing heavily? The meaning of the breathing heavily is when we breathe like this way. Who was breathing heavily? A bear was breathing heavily. When an elephant was asked, then why are you running here and there? What's the matter? Then bear was breathing heavily. Then who was breathing heavily? A bear was breathing heavily. And a bear said, a tiger has entered in our forest and he was trying to terrify all the animals. So who was breathing heavily? A tiger was breathing heavily. Number 4 is, what did the elephant want the tiger to stop doing? What did the elephant want the tiger to stop doing? You can take this line from here. The elephant wanted the tiger to stop terrifying the poor animal, to stop scaring the poor animals. What did the elephant want the tiger to stop doing? The elephant to stop terrifying the poor animals. To stop terrifying the poor animals. What did the elephant want the tiger to stop doing? The elephant wanted the tiger to stop terrifying the poor animals. Number 5 is, why did the animal thank the elephant? Why did the animals thank the elephant? They thanked the elephant because he scared the tiger, because he scared the proudy tiger. That's why all the animals thanked the elephant. Why did the animal thank the elephant? They thanked the elephant because he scared the tiger, because he scared the proudy tiger. You can use the proudy here, but if you don't want, then you can write as it is, students. They thanked the elephant because he scared the tiger. Okay, that's all about the question answers. Who said these words as well as the word meaning. I hope you understood the lesson. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Stay healthy at your home.